How to set up MyFitnessPal app. Firstly, you have to open your Play Store and install the MyFitnessPal app. Then sign up on the MyFitnessPal app. I have already done this. Now you have to add your weight, height, and the after that you can see here that how to use or how to set up MyFitnessPal app. In this way you can see your profile here, and you have to add your weight, your height, and the exercises which you want. You have to make your age here. In this way you have click on the diary. You have to make daily basis diary of breakfast, lunch, dinner, and the snacks, exercises, water here. In this way you get the news feeds, and you have to share your ideas on the app. You have to get the plans of exercises, workouts here. This is the dashboard that will show you. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.